Hi guys, it's Dee and welcome to Dee's Yard. Today I want to share with you this awesome new shrub from the Southern Living Plant Collection called Touch of Gold Holly. Touch of Gold Holly is a dwarf evergreen shrub that features this bright golden foliage year-round. Because this holly only gets 2 feet tall and 4 feet wide, this makes it an excellent low-maintenance shrub to plant around the foundation of your house, especially under windows, and to replace a boring green boxwood for a pop of color. Not to mention that Touch of Gold Holly is disease, pest, and deer resistant, which are all positives in my book when I'm choosing plants. Other than the stunning foliage, I love the compact and naturally rounded form, which is going to require low to no pruning. Touch of Gold Holly is hardy in zone 6A to 9B and requires full sun to part shade, but the more sun, the better the color. Sticking this shrub in full shade will produce more green tones. I've chosen a spot on my southeast side of my house to plant Touch of Gold Holly right in between my red diamond mid-sized loropetalum, and I just love the contrast of the dark burgundy and gold foliage. There is also clematis that I need to move and a few variegated liriape grass in this area just for added texture. Touch of Gold Holly will be replacing a soft touch holly that I lost after a very drought summer a year or so ago. I just think this shrub is going to look fantastic in this area. When it comes to planting, dig a hole 2 to 3 times the width of the root ball, but only as deep as the root ball height. Because my native soil is clay, I want the root ball to sit 1 to 2 inches above the soil grade, and then I just backfill. Make sure you are mulching around your newly planted shrubs. Not only does it retain moisture, but it also keeps your roots cool in the summertime and warm in the winter. Now all there's left to do is water deeply and thoroughly. I'm just loving the pop of color this plant has instantly provided to the side of the house. This is truly a year-round interest and low-maintenance shrub. Now all there's left to do is remove this other soft touch holly and replace it with another stunning Touch of Gold Holly and watch this area transform. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.